Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. Today's video is a quick power hour with my friend Jessie over from Mama Jessie J. I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with her. I am going to insert her little intro clip here in just a minute, but I hope that you enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Also, I did want to mention I am sick, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video, just to give you a heads up, but there will be tons of music for you to enjoy.
Hey y'all, my name is Jessica over at Mama Jessie J, and I like to post motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning kind of content. We just bought a new farmhouse in October, so I like to share a lot about how we're making that our home. So if you are into that kind of content, come over to my channel after Krista's video and say hello. I'd love to meet you. Thanks again for doing this, Krista.
Broke your heart, and ever since that day, boy, you ain't been the same, no. I played my part, did everything to love you, thinking you'd change. Maybe you got your issues, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned. Gave you my all, and this time I ain't got nothing left. As much as I wanna love you right now, ain't the time. So you gotta let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You can keep loving me, one foot outside the door. Need to let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. I know you're hurting, but I don't deserve it. You can keep loving me, one foot outside the door. Need to let it go. Let it go, baby. Baby, I was too hard on you when I said that we were through, knowing all along how much I need you to. But it's just some things you gotta thug in this game of love. Oh, you hurt me first, so you gotta make it up. Baby, you got your issue, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned. Gave you my all, and this time I ain't got nothing left. As much as I wanna love you right now, ain't the time. So you gotta let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby. Baby, I know you're hurting, but
control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. When I sleep, you're next to me, even though you're my enemy. I forgive all the harm you've done to me. When I wake, you're begging me, draining me of my energy. I forgive all the harm you've done to me. I love you, although you give me fear and pain. You know I can't control. I hate you, although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. You're my anxiety, you're my anxiety. I don't want you, you don't need me, I don't need you. But without you, who would I be? I love you, although you give me fear and pain. You know I can't control. I hate you, although you gave me all the reasons why I found my soul.
I knew it was a dream. That's actually going to be the end of the video, y'all. I hope that it gave you some motivation. I didn't get a lot done because I had a friend come and visit in the middle of this power hour, but I hope that you still got some motivation and you decide to clean. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.